Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today we will do a new part of your data handling chapter, which is known as pictograph. Now, what is pictograph? The See this picture here. These are the pictures of books, and one book is by this picture represented. One book is represented by this picture. Now, row 1, how many books are there? Row 2, how many books are there? Row 3, books, how many are there? Row 4, row 5. In this way, you have to observe the pictures. Next, the pictograph. What do you mean by pictograph? A pictograph represents data through pictures of objects. It helps answer the question of the data at a glance. When you see the picture, you can give the answer by seeing the picture only. So it is easy for you to observe and give for giving the answers of the questions. Next, you will do. I will show you the question. Now we will do question number 4 from exercise 9.1. What is there in question number 4? Observe the picture carefully. Following pictograph shows the number of tractors in 5 villages. See, the pictures are there. One tractor is represented, only one tractor. Now the picture this picture is represents only one tractor. It will be given, always you will get this one. So village A, village B, village C, village D, village E. 5 villages are there. Now observe how many tractors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way you have to count and do one thing. Do one thing. In this book, in your book, you just draw a line here or to write the answer. No need to draw the tractor again in your copy. So it is given already in the book, and you make pages here, space here to write the number of the tractors. So what you will do, how many tractors are there in village A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 here. By using pencil, write 6 here. Now in village B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your observation? You just write. Village C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 here. 1, 2, 3, write 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now, when your observation will be completed, then you are ready to give the answers. Now see, I have written the question here. Which questions are given in your book for question number 4. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which village has the minimum number of tractors? You have already observed which village has the minimum number of tractors. See, it is 3 is the minimum number here, and it is village D. So which village has minimum number of tractors? Village D. So your answer you have to write here only. Which village has the minimum number of tractors? You have to write the answer village D. Next question is, which village has maximum number of tractors? See again from your pictograph chapter, question number 4, you again observe which village has the maximum number of tractors. See, 8 is the maximum number here, and it is for village C. So village C has maximum number of tractors. You have to write the name only. Village C. Now, how many more tractors village C has as compared to village B? That means you have to count the number of tractors of village B also. So in village B it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already you have counted. Village B has 5 and village C has 8. So how many more? So how many more tractors village C has? Village C has 8 and village B has 5. So that is 3. Therefore Village C has 3 more tractors. What is the total number of tractors in all the 5 villages? That means you have to add all these. 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6. Now total number of tractors, you just add all these, and whatever the number you will get here, it is 28. Whatever the result, you have to write here. What is the total number of tractors in all the 5 villages? Answer is 28 tractors. Understood? Next, in question number next question number 5. Again another pictograph is there. See here, this sign, but this drawing is denoted 4 girls, but means 4 girls represented by this face. One face represents 4 girls. So number of girl student in each class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Okay, now do the same thing. I have drawn one line here. You can draw this line again, and now count this. One face represents 4 girls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fours are 24. So you have to write here 24, because one face, remember, one face represents 4 girls. It is given here. So this is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That means 6 into 4, 24. Class 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 complete face and 1 half. That means 4 complete face means 4 4 just 16. 16, and as because it is half, so you can count it as 2. Half of 4 is 2. So 16, 17, 18. So it will be 18. Next, class 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete faces. 5 fours are 20. Next, class 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 complete faces. 3 fours are 12. 12, and it is half. So 12, 13, 14. It will be 14 only. Class 5, 1, 2, 2 complete. So 2 fours are 8, and here half. 8, 9, 10. Here it will be 10. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 4 just 16. Here 1, 2, 3. Class 7. 1, 2, 3. 3 fours are 12. And here in class 8, 1 complete. That means 4, and it is half. So 2. 4 plus 2, 6. When your observation will be completed, then you are ready to give the answers. First you have to complete, watch the picture completely, and whatever the counting you made it properly, then go and give the answer of this question. You can write this answer in your book. There are some spaces are there. You can write your answer in the book. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. Which class has minimum number of girl students? Which class have minimum number of girl students? You can observe it clearly, and it is class 8. So you can write class 8. Next question, is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5? Number 6 is less than the number of girls in class 5. Is it? It is 16 and it is 10. Is it less than 10? No. So you have to write it no. Next, how many girls are there in class 7? In class 7 you have already counted and written also. It is 12. So you have to write the number 12 here. And this is the last question. Now come to question number 6. I will give this question as your this work will be your homework only. I have drawn the line here. In this way, you have to draw this line and do it as your homework. Count two. One bulb represents actually one picture represents two bulbs. Two bulbs. One picture represents two bulbs. In the same way, how many bulbs are number of electric bulbs sold by the shop? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And the number of bulbs in the same way as we have done in previous question. The same way you have to count. Here it is 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2s are 12. In this way, you will complete the work and submit your homework. The questions are at the back. Now, question number 7. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following numbers of fruit basket in a particular season. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following numbers of fruits: Rahim, Lakhanpal, Anwar, Martin, Ranjit Singh, Joseph. Now see the fruit. These baskets. This picture represents 100 fruit baskets. See, as it is given, so you have to count one picture as 100. So for Rahim, number of fruit baskets 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 100, 400. For Lakhanpal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 100, 500, and it is half. And half of 100 is 50. So in this way, you have to complete the counting. I have written the question here as because there is no space. So I have written here. For Rahim, it is 400. So number of fruit baskets sold by Rahim, it is 400. Lakhanpal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500, 50. Half of 100, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550. For Lakhanpal it is 550. Anwar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 700. So Anwar it is 700. Martin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 complete, that means 950. Half 950. For Martin it is 950. For Ranjit Singh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 800. Ranjit Singh it is 800. And Joseph 1, 2, 3, 4. 450. 450. So now you have to give the answer of the questions. The questions are here. As the pictograph, result of the pictograph I have already written here. So you can see the number of fruit baskets and easily you can give the answer. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. Which merchant sold the maximum number of baskets? See, which merchant has sold maximum number of baskets? It is Martin. So the answer will be Martin. How many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? How many fruit basket was sold by Anwar? 700. Name the merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets. Name the baskets. Name them. Na? How many? Name the merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets. Now, who has sold the number of baskets which is more than 600? Anwar, Martin, and Ranjit Singh. I hope students it will be very easy for you pictograph, and enjoy this sum and do all this, practice it also. Thank you students.